Hey y'all, Autumn Prepper here, and you might not know what these are. Some might. Right now it looks like my yogurt things in there. Might look like just a clump of yuck. But it is oyster mushrooms. I found them yesterday. I'm so excited. But I've got so much of them, and there's so much more to go pick today. I'm not really set up to preserve these, and I still don't have internet, so I have to figure out if I can freeze them or not. And first I thought they were hen of the woods, and then what makes them different is I don't know if you can see that, the gills on the bottom. But this one I'm holding right here is a couple pounds. And, they go for $4 or $5 a pound. So way cool. I'm so happy. I'm going to have mushrooms, onions, tomato, and in my omelet. Take care, folks.